Right, I've sleeved the cables coming off of the end of the CNC machine, and I've soldered on all the plugs X, Y and Z, so that's done. Now while I'm waiting for the cable to be delivered for the spindle, I'm going to make a start on the electronics box. Right, what I've got is an old computer, desktop computer box, so I'm going to fit this lot inside, which I've got the computer card, power supply for the motors, and I've got motor driver blocks, one for each axis. There's the power supply for the spindle, which it's got a variable speed, and then I've got 5 sockets, one for each axis, so they'll all fit on here, which I shall also have 2 connectors, one just be for the spindle, just to plug in there, and there'll be a couple more connectors for limit switches, which I'll fit later on. So what happens is your computer, when you run in the program, sends all the signals X, Y and Z and that to this card. So the signal out to each motor comes out of this side, which then the signals go into these blocks, you see, there. And then the 4 wires go into the motor, go this side to the socket, and then you plug the motors in, X, Y and Z and that, which will run it. And then the power for each motor goes from here to this side of the block as well. So each motor has its own power supply. Right, so I shall make a start.